Nosy 30. Let's get it, guys. What is going? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, this is one of those Tigersharks 2.4 liter multi-air engine, guys. From the looks of it, he's getting ready to bring it all out. That's right, guys. It's no big secret anymore. FCA did have a problem with some of these, not all. Very low amount consuming oil or burning oil consumption. Okay, yes. You may find that your car or your engine is low on oil, extremely low on oil, and it can cause you all kinds of problems, guys, from stall out to drivability issues, all kinds of crazy things. Because, guys, it's VVT engine, and I say this time and time again, that setup is very dependent on the proper level of oil. Okay, level, which means it needs to be at the proper level at all times, or you could run into some drivability issues. I mean, it could trick you into thinking your transmission failed, all kinds of stuff. So looks like that's what he's getting ready to replace. Okay, now there's the repair. We all know how a car could consume oil. Okay, if you low on oil, a couple things you can check yourself. One is visual. You can perform a visual test to see if you have oil leaks. You're either gonna leak oil or burn oil. Okay, so if you consuming oil and you don't have a leak, one could suspect you have internal engine problems, right? Right now, or just the opposite. If you have a leak, you can assume that that's the reason why you're consuming a lot of oil. All right, now this car is 0W20, guys. They recommend 0W20 in this, so it is very precise. They're very precise on what kind of oil they recommend. But anyway, there is a recall out addressing this issue, guys. Okay, some models they want you to simply flash the controller. Some models they want you to run an oil consumption test. Okay, some of them are severe, more severe than others. In fact, guys, I was at the stoplight about a week ago behind a Jeep Cherokee. The minute the light turned green and she punched on her gas to take off, a puff of blue smoke came out of her tailpipe. Guys, I whipped out my camera and my phone. I'll try to get y'all some footage, but I never could get her at another stop sign. And by the time, you know how cars swerve in and out, somebody jumped in front of me, which makes them in between me and her, so I couldn't never catch up with her. But I sure wanted to get you guys some footage on that. You press on the gas. She pressed on the gas and a puff of blue smoke come out the tailpipe. And we all know what blue smoke represents. Blue, let me see if I can remember this. Blue represent you essentially burning oil. Oil is getting into the combustion area and it's burning along with the air fuel mixture. And the ending results may be blue smoke. Okay, now white is an indication of liquid, water. Okay, you could be burning water. Okay, you do not want water into the combustion mixture areas. Okay, because you can't compress water, so you definitely don't want water inside. Piston goes up. It can be catastrophic if some water in a cylinder and the piston trying to go up. Well, anyway, that would give off white smoke, guys. Yes, white smoke. You ever catch a car just spitting out white smoke all over the place? He's essentially burning liquid, water, coolant, whatever it may be. Some would immediately say, oh, that's a blown head gasket. That's a blown head gasket. But I have got out of that reckless talk, okay, because like this engine here, y'all notice this? This is aluminum cylinder head, even aluminum valve cover. And for the most part, the block is part aluminum. Okay, even the transmission. So this is basically aluminum drivetrain setup. All right. So if you overheat any part of this, if you overheat this engine, guys, it could be catastrophic. All right. Now we've been known to send a head out to a machine shop to get pressure tested to see if it will hold pressure or if it's warped or anything like that. I have never removed the block to send it out to get tested. So if we suspect the engine was severely overheated, you're going to get an estimate on a complete engine, guys. They don't play those games around here. They into low-risk repairs. Okay, low-risk repairs is what this place is all about. And I can't say that I blame them, but I have been minimized to basically replacing a lot of parts instead of fixing things. I can't remember the last time I replaced or I overhauled a transmission. Times are changing, guys. They change with time. All right. Like I say, we're getting ready to replace this. Where is the? Oh, it's over here, guys. Let's take a look at the engine in question. Yes, what a beauty. Now notice that, guys. You'll see some. Remember what I just mentioned, not even a second ago, that valve cover was aluminum. Y'all see what's on here? This engine is going in that car, equipped. Is that plastic? Appears to be plastic. Plastic valve cover. Everything else is aluminum. The head and the block. Look what all it comes. You get a new thermostat, guys. Okay, so we don't have to transfer much. Brake assist pump. Ooh, is this new coils? I don't know if he removed the coils off the other one, but maybe come with new coils, oil pan, or dipstick tube, pulleys, the whole nine, guys. So it's basically a drop in and out. But like I say, that recall changing the way. I have to read some more, guys. I'm gonna watch this video again on the way that's set up and the way it's supposed to help the car not consume a lot of oil before I speak on it, because I could be wrong. And I have people out there that's watching my every word. Okay, and I don't need another troll hater video from me. Okay, that is so not my style. But when you push me to the edge, it's almost like, what do you do? Okay, but I'm gonna watch that video, grasp all the knowledge I can off of it, and then turn around, reinvent it to my style, and display it to you guys on what that recall consists of and how it would help you, or help the engine not consume a lot of oil. Now, some would say, how is a flash gonna change anything any hardware like this? They do it by way. I don't want to talk. I don't want to speak on it until I read some more into it. Okay, but yes, guys. And what else I wanted to talk about? Okay, yeah, same kind of or weight of oil. They never put a brand on here, so they're not gonna be picky about the brand as far as Valvoline, Mobil One, things like that. But yes, that's what he got going on here, guys. Now these guys are extremely fast on these. I don't know what this pays. I'm still waiting till I get out of my range. Mine's my Cherokee has some problems. I'm trying to get it to where I can get an engine. I qualify. I'm still on the warranty, and I am burning oil. So we shall see. All I can do is wait and see. Got to bring it back and check the dipstick. I'm in the middle of an oil consumption test now, so that's where we at on this, guys. Man, he did all the preliminary stuff, took all the torque converter bolts off. So I guess somebody had the jacks hoist tied up already, so he got frustrated and went home. But when he get here in the morning, I guarantee you, bzz, 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 and that's a wrap. He'll have it in and out, have the new one in, the old one out, of course, the new one in, and it'll be running maybe by lunchtime. All right, guys, so that's all I have. Oh, I had used my whole entire slot on this one car. Sorry, guys. Just stay tuned for more, guys.